Where's your car, sir? Where's your car, sir?
Burger, man.
Look at this nigga freaky ass.
He's at the crib, bro.
What Ted's got the photographer, motherfucker.
Man, you got the little shit
Let me see.
outside.
Is that the same camera bro got? No, he is better. So no, for real. What's this sign right here mean? Is OX?
Y'all feel them rain droplets?
Yeah, I've been felt them was on the way. But what that mean? The OX shit?
Not looking
Right
good,
here.
chat.
Cause bro got the same camera. But his shit-
Yeah, we about to watch the cars real quick. Hopefully beat the rain. Y'all see the daily looking real dirty. But
That's what I'm saying.
we about to go to a car show. It's called Beamers and Burgers, but y'all see the fit. They been clowning my shirt, but oh, good. Yeah, watch my car. Hey, get my car again. Yeah. Yeah, don't stop. Yeah, don't stop.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah. I ain't tell you to stop, boy. Everything looking good. Yeah. All right, y'all, we about to head to this meet. Let's go. Don't know why I brought earbuds. Stick of gum. You in the turning lane, dumbass. Hey, yo shit keep it up though, I ain't gonna count. Is he tuned? He don't got a tune on it? Yeah. You just keep it. You got the hit or what? Yo shit fat. Yo shit fast, so I ain't gonna count. Oh shit. 12. right, y'all, we done made it here. This shit. We all in the dirt. Right. And guess what Fat Man had to stop? Alright. And him.
You got a defeated belly? You got a defeated belly? That way Leon in the car, what's that way that?
Man, always look high.
Listen on me, I don't
What the fuck was that?
You good? You good? No, I blocked Leon yesterday.
Nigga always blocking
Say you did
something.
what? I blocked him.
As y'all can tell, we leaving the car show. It was alright, you know, a little dusty from all the dirt and stuff like that. But if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I got a lot more to come, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.